So attempting a new way to spot weld. So what I did is I took the flat side of the tungsten, made it as flush as possible in the cup, and I'm gonna see what happens. Double the amperage, I'm guessing. Obviously I'm trying to penetrate both metals without having to drill holes and all that good stuff. So it's 18 gauge steel when I'm welding right here. So it's at around 47 thousandths. So my machine on 110 only goes up to 90. I don't have the length, plug it up to the 220, so I'm gonna see what happens. But if this works, this will be absolutely amazing. So let's try right here. That was a fail. No idea if it's working, but try it again. All right. So it's kind of hard to get that arc started since it's pushed up in the cup, but let's take a look. I would say just based off the bottom. Ooh, I was dumb. Of course it's gonna be warm. All right, so here's the top side. Get some more light on it. As you can see in the background, I'm building these classic cars. Probably done thousands of spot welds in just this one alone. And it's a pain to drill holes and then try to fill it up with MIG and then got to grind it all down smooth. If this works, I mean, that is what it could be. Here's the backside. It looks like we definitely got penetration on this one. Got penetration on that one. Good heat. Looks like kind of hard to. Let's see if I can get the camera focused a little better. Yeah, definitely got some penetration on there. So I'm gonna let this cool off for a minute. I'm actually gonna put a few more in there. I'll leave the 3. They're about 1 inch apart, which is about how I do them. 1.5 inches probably. So let it cool down for a minute. I'm gonna try to separate and see how it looks.